so now we're going to replace the existing doorknob.
You can cut it.
So now we've screwed out the doorknob.
Yeah, we are also going to remove the knob from
Pushing
the
it out the
outside.
other side. So now we're gonna cut out the side plate and the lever.
You see it.
So now we've unscrewed the side plate and the lever as well as the doorknob. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so now we're installing the lever. We have to make sure that the long side is facing the inside of the room and not the other way. So this is how it should actually look.
Okay.
There's no power in the screwdriver, so we're gonna do it manually.
Okay, there's a small funny thing. So once you install this lever, don't try to test by closing this door. If you close it, you cannot open it. Okay, so then you'll get locked.
He's speaking from past experience.
Okay, so now we are going to install.
Now we're going to install the door handles. This is the inside part, and That's the outside part right there. So now we're gonna connect the two.
And keep this one into. இதை பாரு, இந்த இதுக்குள்ளே வர்ற மாதிரி பண்ணணும். ஓகே,
We can see.
Save it.
And now we've clicked them together. And now we're putting in the long screw. Okay, so this is the finished door. Locks and unlocks perfectly fine. And pro tip, if you ever get locked outside, you can use a bobby pin or a screwdriver or something. And just
I don't know how it works. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you got any questions for this simple fix, let me know in your comments. Thank you.